Federal government lists Diziani's building jewelry bra for sale. Hello my country people, welcome to Tafia Express, the media when they carry tori around town, they come on a doorstep. If now your first time when you say you they come across my post, make you not forget to share your opinion and make you follow me for this page. Make you not forget to share my post as well. God bless you. The news when I hit the internet this morning, I want news about former Minister of Petroleum when her name now Diziani Alison Madueke, will be the former Minister of Petroleum for Nigeria. For inside in the KG blog, now they see this news this morning. Say federal government does seize properties when belong to them, including Brazil. I go read the news just as they be for inside in the KG blog. So now listening, they can listen. The federal government has begun the process for the valuation of properties belonging to several politically exposed persons, including the embattled former Minister of Petroleum Resources, Diziani Alison Madueke. Punch reports that the former petroleum minister properties located in Banana Island Foreshore Estate, Ikoyi, Lagos, including 18 flats and 6 penthouses located at Building 3, Block B, Bella Vista, Plot 1, Zone N, Federal Government Layout. Other notable properties listed include those belonging to the late Chief of Defense Staff, Air Chief Marshal Alex Bade, whose houses in the Wuse 2 and Maitama High-Ends neighborhood of Abuja were seized. They include number 14th Azokbe Crescent off Kumasi Crescent, 19th Kumasi Crescent, Wuse 2, and 6th Ume Street, Wuse 2. Other recovered items listed are 125 pieces of wedding gowns, 13 pieces of small gowns, 41 pieces of waist trainer, 73 pieces of hard flour, 11 pieces of suits, 11 pieces of invisible bra, 73 pieces of vice, 30 pieces of brazier, 2 pieces of Stanley fans, 17 pieces of magic skit, 6 packets of blankets, 1 table blanket, and 64 pairs of shoes. The federal government had last week begun the process of screening 613 independent valuers expected to manage the sales of the assets alleged to have been illegally acquired, which have now been permanently forfeited to it in about 25 locations throughout the country. The total number of properties marked for auction across the country is 1,620, including cars, houses, phones, laptops, vessels, and other valuables. The Chairman Interministerial Committee on the Disposal of Forfeited Assets and Solicitor General of the Federation, Mohammed Etsu, told journalists last week that 229 proposals were received for the valuation of plants, machinery, motors, vehicles, furniture, and equipment, while 75 companies submitted bids for the valuation of water vessels for disposal, and 25 companies presented bids for the valuation of jewelry, ornaments, and clothing materials for disposal. Federal government does seize properties where it belong to former Minister of Petroleum during that time of whistle blowing, where we say Sanusi called blow one whistle. If you don't know Sanusi, na a picture na display. So he called blow one whistle say during the time of Goodluck Jonathan from inside 2012 go reach 2013. He said they lost about 20 billion naira. That means this woman not remit $20 billion. How on earth this kind of woman will take carry $20 billion US? She not remit am for inside federal government account. We can just imagine the country, how people money when reach they build full country. During Goodluck tenure, money when reach they build full country. The woman says she not steal. Okay, if she not steal, how should they acquire these expensive houses when it be say her jewelry is alone worth millions of dollars? Even though you dey work for inside petroleum section, how on earth now your salary go take reach to dey acquire those kind of properties when you head for big mansion, big places? Make you see pity for the masses. Make una see the pity for the masses when say in Nigeria people dey sleep without food for their belle. How on earth now you go buy expensive houses. 20 in between 1 year, 2012 to 2013, they lost 20 billion. Sanusi now ring this alarm, say they lost $20 billion US dollar. How on earth people could divide money when Nigeria they wallow for inside poverty? Nigeria now don't dey list for among the most poorest country in the world. During the time of good luck, though things dey very cheap, but these people still loot. If una dey loot, I beg make una reason the poor people, the masses, people wey be say God give everybody. Now everybody for Nigeria now get the oil. For instance, if you go Libya now, their fuel dey cheap for everybody to acquire. You go buy 1 liter of fuel, 1 liter, e no pass cent. With 2,000 naira, you go buy better fuel where you go fill your tank. Ask anybody where dey Libya. These properties when like they acquire, these things they want they use, the oil want they use. Now places they take come. Now God bless the nation, not only na own. I wanna see the matter, my country people. The government does see things where belong to her. She say na side also, she dey also. The side also na be where the gun, she dey sell where the gun. Where the gun go fit give you money when you take buy mansions when you say, and only her jewelries alone. How on earth now you take acquire that kind of property? My country people, make una throw na bomb, una throw na comment for the comment section. How una see the matter where you say this woman go through? Now true say her money na legit. Not be say good luck, Jonathan. No, not good though. Good luck Jonathan say good, but they still Nigeria. These people really get good intentions for the country. They want serve, abi they just come to extort the people they want to say they Nigeria. Make una drop una comment for the comment section where go dey below. Until next time, say I will bring on that vital news. God bless you. Bye bye.